I'm at McDonald's on Highland Boulevard, and I want me some iced coffee on a cold day. So, there's no service for me. I say, hello, hello, hello. Nobody wants to serve me. Let's find out what happens with the people. Where is everyone? Why? How come there's nobody here to serve the people? Hello. I need some iced coffee. Where's my iced coffee? Iced coffee! Oh, thank you, love. And I don't know, I wanted to listen, like, do you have melted sugar or something, some caramel? And please don't put too much ice in it. Sometimes you put too much ice. They didn't even ask me how I wanted it. So listen, now I want to get a little comfortable, and I have to urinate a bit. You understand? You're okay, virgin. Sit down. This is the version. I figure that there are people who want to be on it, so I don't let them on it. But whoever else is behaving themselves, they're on it. So, we're almost done with this one. I haven't done one of these in a while. When was the last time you've seen me smile? Hey, we have some smiles back here. Who's this? Who's the redhead? I think she wants me dead. No, it's not. Who's over here? Who's over here? McDonald's, man. Yeah. I like the dairy. Yeah. Mon frere. I wonder how she likes it. Is it rough? No, we must behave. None of this. I'm still married, you see. But give me like 3 months indeed. Let me say something else true. They have a drive-thru. But something tells me that if you went through with a bike, it probably wouldn't be all right. Now, the Big Macs may be something I like. Currently, I like Big Macs. It's weird. You'd be surprised how long it takes iced coffee to be made. But either way, I'm feeling good in the shade. So look, I must behave myself, people. So, I have to use the bathroom. I have to use a little boy's room. So in a little, I will talk to you. Is that the cutie poo? Is that the cutie poo? All right. Bye. We're signing off. Wait, let's at least get the McDonald's sign.